To configure the Google BigQuery Data Source in DataFetch, click on the New Data Source button, find Google BigQuery, and sign in with your Google account that has access to BigQuery. Now that the data source is connected, you can go to that data source, you can edit the name of it, and then you can go to Insights to create your first insight that's going to be driven from Google BigQuery data. Click on Add, and select a project. And now that your project is selected, put in a query. You'll have a preview that shows up on the right-hand side, which will help you confirm that you're pulling the data that you want to be pulling. On the next tab, you can go to the message template, and you'll see you want to keep everything in between these each tags here, because this is going to create a template that's going to repeat for each record that is being pulled back from BigQuery. Alright, so we've created a simple template. We've given it a name, and now that insight has been added successfully. If we go ahead to Slack, we're able to use that. So we can type /DataFetch, and then any part of the name of the insight that we just created. So say recent. If I click View Insight, a real query just ran against Google BigQuery and then pulled back that data and presented it in this template. It's important to note that this is currently only visible to me. So even though I'm in a channel, I'm not polluting the channel with a bunch of stuff that people don't really have any context for. However, if I want to send this data into the conversation that I'm having, I can press send, and now that's available for people to see themselves. If you'd like to learn more about how to pull data from your applications and databases into the conversations you're having in Slack and Microsoft Teams, head over to datafetch.io.